Hello, my name is Joe Brown, and I am your welding instructor at the Goodwill Academy off of Scott Hamilton Drive in Little Rock, Arkansas. In our fast track program, we teach stick welding, MIG welding / flux core welding in 4 positions, but we certify you in 2. We help you get your PPE, and then we also help you get your OSHA 10, and then we help you with your job placement. This is a fast track program. So our goal is to help the student gain the knowledge they need to give themselves a raise. We know people are struggling in the society, especially in the inner city of Little Rock. So our goal is to help people fast track their careers. You can come to this program for 16 weeks, Monday through Thursday, the PM or the AM, depends on if you're working or what you got going on. And we can help get you ready to change your life, fam. It's all about you putting forth the effort, you doing what it takes. Anything can happen from then, but you have to put forth the initiative. And our goal is to make this program fast track to help you get right to it. 16 weeks, it can be a life changer. We just had a student that was making $11 an hour. Now he's making 17. Anything can happen, but you got to put forth the effort. Hold on.